How to add focus effects to the video in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Color tab. This is where most of your advanced visual effects including focus effects are handled. Next, select the clip you want to apply the focus effect to. Then, in the Nodes panel, create a new serial node by pressing Alt plus S. This gives you a clean space to work on the focus effect without affecting other corrections. After that, go to the window tool and choose either a circular or linear power window, depending on what you want to focus on. Place the window over the subject or area that needs to stay sharp. You can resize and reposition the window as needed. Now, go to the effects section to add blur. To blur the background and make your subject stand out, increase the blur radius outside the window. Adjust the softness of the window edges to make the transition between focus and blur look more natural. This helps the effect blend smoothly into the rest of the scene. Finally, you can track the power window to follow the subject if it moves. Just go to the Tracker tab and hit play to let DaVinci Resolve automatically track the subject's motion across the clip. And that's it. Now you know how to add focus effects to the video in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.